Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Bearded Fortech here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. In this video, you are going to see the aftermath of an install of a BD diesel high idle kit. There is no programming involved. It is all plug and play. And it is very, very easy to install. I'm sorry we didn't do the install video, but I did show you how it goes in. I didn't show you putting it in because it was a little bit of a time crunch, but I did go back and show you where it plugs in. I showed you in the video how I ran the wire across, and then where the other end of the connector plugs in, and then how it works. So let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to the channel everybody. Today we installed this BD diesel high idle kit in this 2017 King Ranch F250 6.7 Powerstroke. It's very, very easy to do. You come down here and you remove the kick panel door like so to access the body control module, BCM. And then this connector right here, which would be for the PTO, it just literally plugs into there. And then we ran the cable up. Then it goes in and it's behind the glove box. You see right there, zip tied to the yellow antenna wire. It runs all the way across, goes to the other side. It comes through on the driver's side. You see my finger, that wire right there. Comes across, and it's zip tied right there. And there's my switch. Plugs right in the back. There's no programming on this. And is the key still? Yeah, there's the key. It's right there. Very, very easy to do. Start it. And right now it's about 600 RPMs. Make sure your parking brake's set, vehicle's running, then you can turn this. Totally my fault, my foot's on the brake. Take your foot off the brake. Turn it. Hear it rev up. And this will go up to how far?
3,000.
It'll go up to, I'm not gonna take it to 3, but you just keep turning it, set it where you want it. And then when you're done with it, you just turn the knob back down and turn it off. And there it is. So again, this is BD Diesel. BD Diesel, I'll link in bddiesel.com. I'll leave a link in the description. And you got 30 days, so make sure you register your product there, buddy.
Yep.
It's plug and play. Do you have that connector from where we took out of the BCM, the PTO connector?
Yeah, it's in the glove box.
This
It's down near the bottom at the back.
There it is. That's what you're going to be unplugging. That's from the factory for the PTO harness. Literally push the tab, pull it out, plug your wire in, run it across the other side, plug it into the switch, set the parking brake, and you're good. Easy peasy, no programming. Takes 10 minutes. It'll take 6 minutes if you have a coat hanger to pull it through the other side. So I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get this one. Oh, this is the high idle kit for a 17 through 22 Ford 6.7, part number 1036612. As always, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.